Why? What happened to week? It's you again. Hello. Can you see me? I think your microphone has a problem. Can you please fix it first? Hello?
Oh, wait a minute, sir.
Okay, are you now ready?
You put headphone.
Okay. Hi, good evening, and welcome to my
Good
class.
evening.
Yeah, this is Teacher Zach again. So how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
All right, okay. So what did you do today? It's Sunday.
Mm, I played slime.
You played a slime.
Slime is squishy.
Yes, I know what is slime.
It's cream.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
clay. It's
Okay,
clay.
allow me to share my screen first. Okay, this is a B2 first speaking part one. So what we will do here is we will practice and try to test your comprehension. Okay, so you will answering sort of questions and then let's see if you can comprehend well these questions that I prepared for you. Okay, you understand? All right. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's start. Okay. All right. This is your first question. Can you please read your first question?
What is the most popular sport in your country? Why do you think it's popular?
All right, very good. Now, your question is, which is the most popular sport in your country and why do you think it is popular?
Badminton.
Badminton. So why do you think it's popular?
Because I love playing.
Okay, you love playing, but it doesn't mean that you love playing the badminton. It's already a popular sport. Okay, popular sport means that it is played by many people inside every country. Like for example, volleyball. So there are a lot of people playing volleyball, not just in your place, but also most of around of your country. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that is the definition, or that's what popular is means. Okay, so for example, here in the Philippines, there's a lot of sport. However, the most popular sport in our country here in the Philippines is basketball. So why did I say that it's popular? Because uh, a lot of people and from young people up to adult people can play or are aware of basketball. So it is also a sport, national sport in the Philippines. So yeah, that's how you answer this question. Okay.
Okay.
All right, very good. Now let's move on to the second question.
Is there a sport or hobby you enjoy doing? What do you do? Why do you like it?
Okay, so is there a sport or hobby you enjoy doing? So what do you do and why do you like it?
Hmm, I love playing badminton, swimming, and playing football.
Okay, you love playing badminton. So can you tell me or can you explain to me why you like badminton?
Because it's fun to play badminton
Okay, so who do you usually play with?
with teacher Tom and my
Ooh.
father.
So are you good in playing badminton?
Yes, I'm good at it.
Can you rate from 1 to 10? How good are you? If
What?
10 is the highest, okay, how good are you?
What?
I said if you can rate yourself from 1 as the lowest and 10 as the highest, how good are you in badminton?
How good I am in badminton?
Mm.
I don't have a score.
Okay. Now, next one. Here, can you please read your next question?
What good memories do you have of school?
Okay,
I don't go to school.
so let's just rephrase your question. Since you are homeschooling, so what is the best part of being, you know, not going to school instead of just staying at home and learn same things like the students are learn from the school? So what's the best part of it?
Part of school?
Yeah.
What's the part of school?
Mm.
What good memories do you have of school? I have good memories
Okay.
about
Yes.
the studying English
Okay. So what's why do you like to study English? Why do you want to
because
study English?
it's fun.
It's fun. And what benefits you can get from studying English?
From studying English,
Yes. What do you think? What do you think you can gain from it?
what did I do? What?
Okay, so like for example, the answer, a possible answer that you can say to these questions is, for example, since I'm asking about the benefits, so your answer should be connected or aligned to the question. So sometimes your answer is very, irrelevant and it's really far from the question. That's why I am always, repeating questions and paraphrasing questions to you so that you are able to provide an answer that is really, aligned and that is near to what I am asking for. Okay. So now, since I'm asking about the benefits, so you can answer like, for example, you are studying English or I am studying English because I want to improve um, my speaking skills, especially in using English, and I want to communicate with other people who are good in in English. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Very good. Next one. Uh, how about this one? Can you please read your question?
Do you go on holiday with your family? Why?
Okay. So, do you go on holiday with your family? Why or why not?
Why and why not?
Mm-hmm. Why or why not?
Yes, I go holiday with my family.
Okay, with your family. So where did you go? What place you visited with
Phuket
your
and
family?
Hua Hin.
So what did you do there?
I just swim in Hua Hin.
Okay. So after that, what happened?
What?
After going there and you walk and jog with your family. So what uh what happened next?
Mm, I go holiday with my family.
Okay. Next one. This one. Can you please read your question first?
Did you have a particular hobby as a child?
Okay, so did you have a particular hobby as a child? So aside, I know that you mentioned already you love playing badminton, but aside from playing badminton, what are the other particular hobby that you are uh, enjoying or doing since you were a child?
Particular hobby?
Particular hobby means very specific hobby that you love to do since you were a child.
Uh, I love, ah, I love to ride a bike.
You love to ride a bike. Okay. So right now, are you good? Okay.
I ride a bike of
Yes.
two wheels.
With two wheels only,
Yes,
without a supporting wheels.
yes.
Wow, very good. Great job. Okay. Now, next one. Okay, how about this
What
one? Can you please read your
have you
question?
done anything interesting with your friends recently? What did you do with them? Mm,
Okay, so have you done anything interesting with your friends recently? So what did you do
yes,
with them?
I play
Yes.
football with Mika.
Okay. What is it again? I'm so sorry.
I play football with Mika.
You played football. Okay. So you're really a sporty girl. I love that. You're really very flexible and versatile. You can play anything like badminton, football. So what other sport that you play?
Play with my friend.
Mm-mm.
Mm, mm.
Okay. Now, one reminder that if the questions started, like for example here, have you? If the question start with have you, your answer should be yes, I have, or no, I have not. Okay?
Okay.
That is if we are talking very technical, and especially if we are conversing using English, and like for example we are doing this inside of the school, which students requires to um, speak and write formal use of language or English rather. Okay, so if you encounter these questions, like for example, do you, have you, your answer should also you use have or do in your answer. Like for example, if you agree, yes, I have, or yes, I do, or no, I don't, or no, I haven't. Okay,
Okay.
very good. Okay, now next one. Uh, here, can you please read your question?
What do you do to keep fit in these days?
Okay, so what do you do to keep fit in these days? Okay, so what do you do to keep fit in these days?
What do I do keep fit in
Mhm.
this place?
Okay, so the question, okay, I'll make it simpler. Okay, the question asking
Exercise.
about how you maintain.
Exercise.
Okay, very good, great answer.
Exercising.
Yes, so you can say that what I do is I keep on exercising, or like I eating vegetable and fruits and coupled with exercise or something like that. Okay, that's how you answer this one.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, here's the next question. Can you please read this one?
Tell me about really good friends of yours. Do you share the same interest?
Okay, great job. Okay, tell me about a really good friend of yours. So do you share the same interest?
I have good friend is Nika.
Nika, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, Nika. So why do you think that Nika is your good friend?
Because she plays football with me.
What is it again? I'm so sorry.
Because she plays football with me.
Ah, she played football with you. That's why you consider her as your good friend. Wow. Okay, now I think you answered already the same interest since you mentioned that you both of you are playing football. Now, what best characteristic of Nika that you really like? Can you
She likes
mention one?
football.
Is it because of football? How about her attitude?
Attitude.
Yes, how about her attitude?
What about her attitude?
Yeah, what do you like about her attitude? Is she a hardworking, a friendly person? Is she a passionate? Um, what other attitude that I can mention? Oh, is
We
she a
share friend follow the book favorite book together.
so she is reading book with you as well?
Yeah.
So what kind of book do you read? Do you
What
read
kind
super
of
book?
how can I superhero see superhero book? I don't like
Ah,
superhero.
so you read the superhero books.
Man,
Are you familiar with Superbook? Are you familiar with Superbook?
what?
Are you familiar with Superbook?
No.
Very good. I am sure that you are not familiar with Superbook because Superbook is only in the Philippines, okay? So it does not exist in Vietnam. I don't know if you are watching TV, like TV programs from the Philippines, if you have a TFC, it is a Filipino channel. So yeah, it's kind of the same with what you just described. The book that you just described is about it's about superheroes. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Next one.
So, do you enjoy playing computer games in your free time? Why not?
Okay. So do you enjoy playing computer games in your free time? Why or why not?
No.
You don't enjoy, so you can answer since it started with do.
I don't play computer games because
Very good.
my mom uses computer all the
Okay.
time.
Okay, you are not playing computer games because your mom is the one using your computer. Now, my question is, since you are not playing computer games in your free time, so what do you do during your free time?
I play bubble and slime.
Okay, interesting. Wow, you're so funny.
Funny what?
Funny, you're so funny.
You're gonna
Okay,
love me more, right?
yeah. How about this one? Can you please read this question?
What is the most interesting thing you ever studied?
Okay, so what's the most interesting thing you've ever studied?
Is America.
America. Why you studied America?
I only study English, Thai, and Chinese.
Sorry, what is it again? Why you studied America? What is the reason behind?
I don't study America, but I study only English, Thai, and Chinese.
Okay, so you studied 3 languages already, Thai, English, and Chinese. So
But
among
I
the
can
3
speak
languages,
America.
among the
I
3
can speak.
languages you, sorry?
I can speak America in Thai.
Wow. Wow, that's nice. Can you try, can you give me a sample?
Mm, What?
Okay. You've mentioned last time that you are good in singing, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know any English song that you can sing, even a one stanza only?
Once time
English song that you can sing. Can you give me a sample?
is good.
Okay, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Do you want me to sing?
Yes, I want you to sing because I want you to learn, and I want you to what do you call this? Strengthen your confidence, okay?
You got a bad reputation in my neighborhood. You drive me mad with temptation 'cause it tastes so good. I would walk away even if I could. It took one night, one try. Hey, I'm hurt. You will never slow, you hold me high. And baby, when you take control, it can go all night. Every single place we go, you start a fight, but then you take the wheel and catch my car. Everyone says I'm so really at me. I don't even care if we're gonna be the death of me, man. You got a bad reputation in my neighborhood. You drive me mad with some temptation 'cause it tastes so good. I wouldn't walk away even if I could. It took one night, one try. Hey, I'm hurt like this.
Wow, what a great singer. You should join the Voice Thailand because you really have a good. You really have a great voice. Wow. Okay, now for your last question.
Do you like to travel on holiday or stay in one place, and why?
So do you like to travel on holiday or stay in one place?
I want to travel Singapore, Japan. You don't know I want to go to Australia, don't you?
Yeah, you've already told me, but might be there's a little bit changes from your reference or option, so that's why I asked it again. So now, why do you want to go to Japan? What's within Japan that really attracts you to go there?
Because it's cold.
It's
I love
cold.
something cold.
So you should eat ice cream since you love cold.
Yes, but not in hot days.
Yes.
In a cold place, and I will eat ice cream because I love cold.
Yes, you're right. Okay, now it's almost time. It's already 7:30 there. 8:30 rather here in the Philippines. So, do you have any question before we end this class?
No.
Don't have any question. Okay, since you don't have any question, I'll see you next time. Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.